Depending on the application, a power supply is meant for its parameters need to be adapted individually. If you want to customize values like signaling thresholds, characteristic curves, or the output voltage, this can be realized comfortably with the QUINT Power configurator. With this tool, you can plan and order your power supply pre-configured in quantities of 1 or more. As the configurator is an online application, you can use your desktop PC as well as your mobile device. Let us have a look at a brief example. We want to adapt an analog output to monitor the capacity of the power supply. This function is unique with QUINT Power. Enter phoenixcontact.com. Open the section Products. On the right side, you find all our configurators. Choose Power Supplies and UPS and then Customizable Power Supply for superior system availability. Now we select a 24 voltage 10 ampere power supply. If we scroll down, we already see all parameters that we are able to customize, like output voltage or output characteristics. If you are unsure what to select, you find detailed information about all options if you click on the eye. For our analog output, we take a look at Signaling Out 2. Here we choose Output Current Analog. Now you get a special solution idea for your individually configured product. As soon as we receive your order, we adapt all parameters according to your wishes and organize a delivery within a few days. The QUINT Power configurator is the fastest way to order your customized power supply. Subscribe to our channel or visit us at phoenixcontact.com.